It's an army of baby ducks. It's an army. It's an army of baby ducks. Oh no. Look at these baby ducks. Oh my goodness. That's so cute. Too cute. Too cute. Looked like they were coming after me. There they go. On the run, baby ducks. I just got a package. I just got a package. I just got a package. I wonder what it is. So, I just got a package in the mail, and I don't know what it is or who it's from. I'm going to find out. Before one died inside.
How is that fragile?
There's this inside.
Oh, wait.
There's a bag inside here.
Maybe that's the fragile.
Ooh.
It's a frame.
Oh, it's a frame. This is very kind of cool and recyclable. I'm using the top inside. I'm down. You want to hold this phone for me, please? You're holding it the wrong way. You're holding it the wrong way. Sorry, guys. But they're young. Let's see what's inside.
There is a frame.
Oh my god! I just got my painting from a deer gnome. I love it. Oh my god. I love it. Oh my god. Thank you, dear gnome. I didn't even know this was gonna be a vlog. Shouting you out, but oh my god. Okay, you can press the done button now.